Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insiders. We'll be focusing upon one of the most famous question, one of the most frequently asked question by the students, that whether the Pathfinder books are enough for the preparation of NET or not. Now I have ordered the complete set for the books and I'll be reviewing those books. I'll give you a quick overview regarding about what I felt good about these books and what are the main things that you need to keep in mind while purchasing these books. So, as you all know that in this complete set of the Pathfinder books, we have 7 books in total. The first 2 books are for the theory purpose. We have the Life Sciences Part 1 and Part 2, which have the theory portion divided into various chapters. Then we have a book for the biophysics and the molecular biology, and one more for the ecology and the environment. So, we have in total 4 theory books in this complete package. Then we have 2 books for the preparation of the questions. Why? Because solving out questions again is a very important target, a very important tip that you need to add on in your preparation. So, the book for the MCQs for the practice purpose and also the previous year questions is very important. If you have been connected with Botany Insider, I have told you time and again regarding the importance of the previous year questions, that you need to solve these questions as many times as possible. So this book could be very useful for you. Now talking about that whether the questions are segregated or not, yes, the questions in this particular book is segregated according to unit wise. So as you all know that there are 13 units in the complete syllabus of CSIR, and sometimes students find it difficult in order to practice the questions of previous years from a book in which the complete paper is given. Why? Because they might not know the complete syllabus at the one go. So this unit wise segregation could help them to target those units first which they have completed and then solve out those questions. In addition to that, the more you practice, the better marks you will get. So this MCQ book again could be a very good source for you if you want to practice out more questions, if you want to go for more practice of the concepts which you have already studied. Now talking about the last book, and that is the general aptitude. So as you all know that in the CSIR, the part A in the examination is completely concentrated over general aptitude, and many times many students they tend to skip off this particular part. But again, I have insisted upon the importance of part A as well. It is like the rank booster for your examination. Why? Because solving out even if 7 to 8 questions in the main examination could increase your rank by many numbers. So this book could be very helpful for you in order to practice out the general aptitude questions as well. Now whether these books would be enough for your preparation or how do you need to use them? See, first thing you have to understand is that these books are very concise. These books are very precise and to the point. So if you are a new beginner, if you are starting off with your preparation, I would suggest you first clear out your basics and then switch over to these books. Why? Because you need to have a good hold over your basics. These books are very to the point. You need to have at least some understanding of the concept first. For example, if you are starting off or if you are reading about the cell cycle and its regulation, now you need to first have a basic understanding regarding this concept, and then you can switch over to these books, read the complete concept and then switch over to the practice part as well. So all I can suggest is that after or if your basics is clear, these books could be a very good source for your preparation. You can read these books, you can make notes for yourself, have various flowcharts, various illustrative diagrams in these books. In addition, there are self-tests also available at the end of each chapter, as in when you get these books, you will get to understand yourself that there are self-tests also present at the end of each chapter. Again, a cherry on top for your preparation. In addition, we also have a facility of index being present at the end of the complete book, which could help you to find out a specific term. Sometimes when we are revising of any topic, what happens, we tend to forget any particular term. So instead of going for the complete chapter and scanning where that point is written, you can go to the index, search a term related to that, and then go to that particular page and just find out and read about the same. So this is my opinion from my end whether the Pathfinder is enough or not. If your basics are clear, if you have a good understanding of the concepts, these book could be very good source for you for your theory part, for your notes part, and for your practice part as well. So this was my suggestion from my end about all the good points regarding the Pathfinder publications book. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and if you want to have any of the content which is available on Botany Insider, the details for the same is given in the description box. Check it out and you can have yours. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon with more informative videos, more quality content on my channel. Till then, good luck and keep learning.